Okay, this is it. BDO NOMURA webpage. This is the actual webpage once you successfully log into NOMURA. First, we will tackle about this section right here, education. Okay. Education, it simply educates you on how to start in trading. Okay, you can click education. It will give you some reading materials regarding the BDO NOMURA basics, stock market basics, and how to invest in the stock market. So if you have time, and please give some time for this one to read in order to help yourself to familiarize the system of BDO NOMURA and stock market. Okay. Next is research. Okay. All right. Research, it serves as the newspaper's NOMURA research, or its ability to make investment judgments and recommendations on core themes based on exchanges of opinions among sector specialists. They provide a timely forecast of upcoming changes and future directions based on economic data and market trends reports, as well as its insights into technology and peripheral industries. Okay, you can read the latest update, last 7 days here, and enroll for USD if you want to transfer your account to the currency of USD. Buy IPO. IPO means initial public offering. These are the companies that generate or that will open their company to the public. And once you click this one, you will see if there is any company that tries to open an IPO. As of now, there's none. And okay, view portfolio. View portfolio is simply your transaction history about the stocks that you bought, the stocks that you sold, and as well as the official receipt and the statements of account. Let's say I want to check what are the stocks that I bought from A1. Currency is Philippines. And transaction date. Okay, I started on January 3rd, 21. Okay, and click submit. So you can see here, these are the stocks that I bought. Okay, from January 21 until February 10. These are the details. Okay, I bought in January 21 and 22 and 28, 29, and 7. You cannot trade without money, and you cannot trade without a fund in your account. This is the purpose of fund account. You can see here the transaction date, the currency, from account to account, and amount. From account, these are your accounts that you have in BDO. Let's say you have Kabayan, you have savings, and any accounts that you have, it can be your source to get the money. Okay, once you will click this one, your accounts will be shown here, and you will click view balance and then the amount. Let's say you want to start with 5,000 pesos. The suggested amount for trading in stock market is 5,000. Okay, let's say you are earning already, and you want to withdraw your cash. Simply just click this withdraw cash button. The good thing is that you can withdraw your cash anytime, anywhere, even if it's night, if it's morning, if it's dawn, as long as you have the available balance. So right now I have 1,464.84. So I can withdraw this amount right here. And I will just click withdraw cash, but as of now I will just keep it because I'm planning to buy stocks the following day. Okay, and there you go. So let's go to trade the moment of truth. So let's click this one. Okay, there you go, guys. This is the trading.